Welcome to the deep dive. So you're here because you need to find the best free way to record your screen in 2024, maybe for making tutorials.
Or, yeah, maybe showing off a presentation or just, helping someone figure out a tech problem on their computer, Windows or Mac.
Right. And there are just so many options out there, it can feel a bit much.
Totally. It's easy to get overwhelmed. So our mission today in this deep dive is really to cut through all that confusion.
We've looked at a source that breaks down some of the top free screen recorders.
Yep. The goal is to help you find the one that fits your needs without you getting bogged down in features you'll never touch.
Okay, let's dive in. First up, OBS Studio. This one comes up a lot and seems pretty heavy duty. Works on Windows, Mac, and Linux too.
It really is powerful. Think of it like a mini TV studio on your desktop. You can set up different scenes.
Scenes, like picture-in-picture.
Exactly. Your screen, your webcam maybe, logos. You can compose it all and switch between layouts. Super flexible for professional level stuff.
But I hear there's a catch.
Well, yeah, the trade-off is the learning curve. It's not instantly intuitive. Takes a bit more time to get comfortable with all the settings.
Okay, makes sense. Power versus ease of use. Now, what if you're just on Windows? ShareX gets mentioned? Sounds lighter.
Oh, yeah. ShareX is kind of amazing for being free and Windows only. It's lightweight, definitely, but packed.
Enact how?
Well, it does screen recording, obviously, but also capture screenshots, makes GIFs, and it has workflows to automatically upload things to cloud services.
Wow, okay. And it's easy to use.
Surprisingly so, for what it does. The interface is pretty clean. Great if you want a lot of features without a huge headache.
Got it. And flipping over to the Mac side, QuickTime Player. It's just there, right?
Pretty much. It's the definition of convenient if you're on a Mac. Need a quick recording of your screen or just a part of it. Open QuickTime, hit record.
Simple.
Super simple. No extra downloads, no fuss. Just don't expect much in terms of editing or advanced features afterwards. It's very basic.
Okay, good to know. Back to Windows for a sec. Flashback Express, the name sounds familiar.
Yeah, it's another solid Windows option. Its big thing is being really user-friendly while still giving you high-quality recordings.
Good for tutorials, maybe.
Definitely. It makes adding a webcam overlay really easy, so people can see you talking. And it has some basic editing tools built in. Ideal for instructional stuff.
What about ScreenPal? I think it used to be Screencast-O-Matic. That one works on both Windows and Mac.
Right, ScreenPal. It strikes a good balance. The free version gives you the essential screen recording, webcam overlay, a bit of editing.
Who's it best for?
Seems popular with educators, maybe small businesses, people who need reliable, straightforward recording without needing, Hollywood-level production tools.
Okay. Now, another Windows one, FreeCam. The name says free. What's its standout feature?
The big one is probably no watermarks on the free version. That's huge if you're sharing videos publicly.
Oh, definitely. Watermarks can be annoying.
Yeah. Plus, it records audio, has simple editing. It's really geared towards beginners who want a clean, hassle-free experience. Very straightforward.
Interesting. Here's one I didn't expect. VLC Media Player for screen recording.
Ha! Yeah, it's sort of a hidden feature. Most people just use it to play video files.
So how does it work for recording?
Well, if you already have VLC installed, and lots of people do, on Windows or Mac, it can capture your screen. It's pretty basic, mind you, not its main job.
But handy in a pinch.
Exactly. For a quick, occasional capture without installing something new, it's an option.
Okay, what about open source fans? Captura, Windows only again.
Yep. Captura is Windows and open source. Its appeal is really the customization. Meaning you can really tweak the settings, choose specific recording areas, adjust audio sources, frame rates, that kind of thing. Good for users who like that fine-grained control and prefer open source software.
Right. Then there's Loom, cross-platform, and scenes focused on sharing.
Totally. Loom's big advantage is its cloud integration. You record on Windows or Mac, and boom, you get a shareable link almost instantly.
Ah, so good for teams.
Yeah, perfect for remote teams, educators, anyone needing to share recordings fast. The free plan covers the basic recording features you need for that. Quick and easy sharing is the key.
And lastly, FreeBeat AI. It sounds futuristic.
It does, yeah. This one's web-based, which is different, and it uses AI. We're talking potentially smarter editing, maybe automatic summaries or things like that down the line.
So more cutting edge.
Definitely feels like a glimpse into where things might be heading. Probably more for users interested in exploring those newer AI-driven tools.
So wrapping this up, it sounds like there's no single best one, is there?
Not Not really, no. It really boils down to what you need. Are you after raw power and flexibility, maybe OBS Studio or ShareX on Windows?
Or if simplicity is key.
Then QuickTime on Mac, or maybe FreeCam on Windows, or even Loom if quick sharing is the priority. You have to match the tool to the task.
That makes sense. This deep dive was definitely helpful in sorting through the options for 2024.
Hope so. Hopefully gives you a much clearer picture and helps you pick the right free tool without getting lost.
So here's something to think about. Considering all these tools we've discussed, what specific recording need do you have right now that will guide your first choice? And looking ahead, how do you imagine these AI tools like FreeBeat AI might really change the game for screen recording and sharing information in the future? Thanks for diving deep with us.